Vermeer is an equipment manufacturing company. We produce ag, forestry, and industrial equipment. We put people first, along with principles, profit, and productivity. So it's a really strong company, really strong values.
Vermeer's safety culture is second to none in the industry. It's not ever sacrificed whenever you're on site.
So the machine behind me is a T1255. It's a terrain leveler used for open pit mining.
We've got 4 people working in our area. We build the drums for all the tub grinders and the horizontal grinders.
We start from a fresh cylinder to the finished product. We do it all.
Vermeer primarily is welding with solid wire, a 70S6, but they do have applications where they're doing some hard facing. They needed to make a safer area for not only the operator, but those that are around him.
We've used some previous stationary type of fume extraction equipment.
Had a big boom on it that come over and hung over our heads. Every time we had to strike an arc, we had to move the boom around.
Managing weld fume is very important for Vermeer. So we introduced the Bernard Clean Air E fume extraction gun, coupled with the Filtair 215 extraction unit.
The extraction system is very easy to use. We've never had to adjust anything to it.
The welders have claimed it dropped off, I think, an hour by not having to move that unit around a lot.
It just does its job for us, eats up the smoke so we can actually see where we're welding now.
Quality is a really big component for us. Customers put our machines in some pretty tough conditions, so they expect it to run well and do its job well.
It's one of our mottos, always looking for a better way, and Vermeer has always been doing that.
I've been working here for 33 years. I continue to try to look for safer and better ways to do my job. The new extractor works great. It doesn't give us any smoke. We don't have to worry about none of that. It's going to keep you a lot safer as you're working.